Hi, I'm David from TPAS Cymru, and I wanted to let you know about an important part of our work during 2025. We'll be providing a range of opportunities for tenants to influence and get their voices heard to shape the way social housing rents in Wales are set in the future. Now, the Welsh Government is currently reviewing their rent policy, and it's this rent policy that guides how all social landlords in Wales must set the rents they charge, including things like setting a maximum rent increase. Now, the current rent policy is in place up until March next year, and so the Welsh Government has started work to look at designing a new policy and guidance, one that balances both the needs of and future needs of social landlords, so they can invest in homes and provide services to tenants, but also one that meets the needs of tenants in terms of providing affordability and providing value for money. So it's really important that tenants' voice gets heard and tenants have opportunities to shape this important work. So we're collaborating with Welsh Government to make that happen. But we've already started. Last year, we undertook our National Tenant Pulse survey of over 800 tenants from across Wales, finding out their views on rents and affordability. And the findings have been shared with Welsh Government and social landlords, and they're still available to see on our website. So during 2025, we'll be running various sessions for tenants to find out more and to talk directly to Welsh Government officials about their thoughts on rents and future rent policy for Wales. So this month, we've invited Rita Antonio from Welsh Government to our next online Tenant Voices Cymru forum, open to all tenants from across Wales. And Rita will be providing some updates on what's happening, but also wants to hear directly from tenants about their views about rent setting and what should be in a future rent policy for Wales. So if you're a tenant and you're interested in our work around rent policy, do get in touch. All our contact details are on our website and on our event page, so you can see what's happening as well. But if you're a social landlord, do encourage your tenants to take part and get their voice heard in this important piece of work. So we're looking forward to working with you all. Tenants from across Wales, do get in touch, and we look forward to you taking part. Thank you.